If you like to trade commodities, it is important to understand the lot sizes for each of them. Without properly understanding lot sizes, you can end up taking much bigger risks than you are supposed to. In this video, I am going to explain the lot sizes for each of the MCX commodities, starting with gold, gold mini, Goldguinea, Goldpetal, Goldten. I'll cover other commodities in my future videos. Let's get started. The oldest known valuable metal, gold, has been prized for thousands of years as a commodity, an investment, a worldwide currency, and an object of beauty. Gold has proven its value as an effective hedge against equities in times of crisis. Gold certainly has a place in every trader's portfolio. Let's look at all the instruments that are available to the retail investor in India if they want to trade gold as a commodity. Firstly, there is Gold Futures and options. The futures symbol is GOLD. It trades Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. The contract size is 1 kilogram. The quotes are based on the price of 10 grams of gold. A 1 rupee move in the Gold Futures contract equates to 100 rupees of gain or loss on a single contract. As of making this video, gold moves approximately 2,000 up or down in a day, so trading one contract would mean you can expect rupees 200,000 of daily volatility in this instrument. Next up in line is the Goldguinea Futures and options, symbol GOLDM, trades Monday through Friday 9 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. The contract size is 100 grams and the prices are quoted per 10 grams. A 1 rupee move in Goldm is equal to 10 rupees of gain or loss per contract. Expect a daily volatility of 20,000 rupees in this contract. Next up is Goldguinea, symbol GOLDGUINEA. It trades Monday through Friday 9:30 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. The contract size is 8 grams. The quotes are also based on 8 grams of gold price. A 1 rupee move in Goldguinea Futures contract is worth 8 rupees. This has a smaller daily volatility of about 2,000 rupees as of making this video. Something to remember is that these volatilities are derived from the average true range of these specific instruments and they change over time. Let us move on to the next one, that is Goldpetal Futures, symbol GOLDPETAL. This too trades from Monday through Friday 9 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. The contract size is 1 gram and the quotes are also based on 1 gram price of gold. Goldpetal is the smallest size of gold futures that is available on MCX and is quite popular because of its tiny size of 1 gram per contract. With a daily volatility of 200, expect a gain or loss of 200 rupees on a typical trading day when trading one contract of Goldpetal Futures. This is a perfect instrument for small-scale traders. Lastly, we have the Goldten Futures contract, symbol GOLDTEN. This contract trades from Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. The contract size is 10 grams and the quotes are shown for 10 grams as well. 1 rupee move in Goldten is worth 10 rupees. It has a daily volatility number of 2,000, which equates to a movement of about 2,000 rupees up or down on a typical trading day. You can visit the MCX website at www.mcxindia.com for updated contract specifications if they change in future. I have a spreadsheet that is available for download, link to which are in the description. As you can see, there are different sizes of futures contracts to suit every trader's needs when it comes to gold trading. Stay tuned. In my forthcoming videos, I will share a few time-tested gold trading strategies that can benefit beginners to advanced traders, including options on gold futures. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with someone you think can benefit from. That's all for now. Stay safe.